Have you ever spent hours or more than half your budget building a landing page like your homepage, only to see visitors leave without taking action? If so, chances are they bounced because they didn't find what they were looking for or something else prevented them from taking action. The first step to figuring out what went wrong and fixing it is to understand what makes a good, high-converting homepage from a user's point of view. In this video, I'll share 9 steps for designing a homepage that delights users and boosts conversions. And to make it easier, I divided the process into 2 parts: the pre-design and design stages. Let's start with the pre-design phase. The first step is to conduct market and customer research. Combine quantitative data like time on page and bounce rate with qualitative insights like customer feedback and reviews to understand user behavior and preferences. The second step is to mix and match your customer analytics data to generate user insights. Suppose your goal is to ensure smooth and intuitive navigation. In this case, you and your team should assess how visitors currently transition from homepage to other sections of the website and what you can improve. The third step is to determine your target audience if you haven't already done so. Start by identifying your ideal customer profile, a picture of the perfect customer for your product or service. These are the businesses most likely to buy and benefit from your offerings. For this profile, you'll need the following: demographic data such as age, location, and job title; behavioral data like the path they take on your site, the pages they linger on, and the content they engage with; campaign data like your top conversion pages and sale or lead drivers. The Jobs to be Done framework also segments your ICP based on their desired outcome. It answers the question, what particular job do people hire your product or service for? Now to the design phase. The fourth step is to choose a layout that makes sense for your audience. Avoid what's trendy and focus on the actual user experience. Using a heat map tool, for example, helps you see where visitors are clicking so you can prioritize that area during a website redesign or optimization. Fifth, create a compelling value proposition that focuses on how it solves users' problems and improves their lives. On your homepage, your value proposition must answer the most basic questions. Who are you? What do you do? What's in it for the users? Directly answering these questions through your copy and visuals show you empathize with your visitors. The sixth step is to ensure a satisfying user experience. Satisfying in this context refers to humans' capability to make satisfactory or good enough decisions rather than perfect ones. When optimizing your landing page or prioritizing content, keep in mind that users don't read web pages in a straight line or move from one section to the next. Instead, they go with the first good enough option they find. They're likely to click immediately on the link they spot if it seems to lead to their goal. To achieve this, set up a survey that asks open-ended or multiple choice questions, such as, what is the main purpose of your visit today? If you could change anything on this page, what would it be? Did you find the information you were looking for? For visual and instant feedback, you could also add a feedback widget to see exactly the elements users love or hate on your homepage. For step 7, always keep your content fresh and search engine friendly. Understand what drives visitors to your website via the keywords they use to search and optimize your site to boost your ranking and visibility. Step 8 is to let your brand personality shine. Ensure branding elements work together and don't distract users. Experts who analyze homepage design say combining colors, typography, imagery, and other visual elements elicit emotions like happiness, curiosity, or skepticism. Plus, strong brands have long-lasting power due to the familiarity, affinity, and trust and excitement they awaken in humans. Finally, step 9, test and iterate. Whether you're building your website from the ground up or tweaking some parts of it, ensure you're testing early. Conduct usability testing with a subset of your target users, observing their behaviors and experiences using a tool like session recordings. This way you can catch problems and errors before they become too expensive to fix. Remember, a human-centered homepage empowers the audience by meeting their needs and expectations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.